Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the menu, press Menu, and go straight to Camera Settings 2. Once there, navigate to the Custom Key or Rec button assignment screen. You do this because the A7IV treats the record control as a reassignable key. Making the change here ensures the hardware button triggers the exact function you want. Make sure you're on the right page so you can see the physical button map. This will let you pick the recording action for the small red record button or any alternate control. You now choose which button to change by highlighting it on the on-screen diagram. Once highlighted, select Movie REC or Movie Start/Stop from the function list. If you prefer, assign a custom shortcut that includes autofocus or exposure control. You should pick the option that matches your workflow. Continuous shooting during videographers' single start/stop affects how the camera behaves. After selecting, confirm and back out of the menu. The camera stores the new mapping immediately, so you can test it right away. You finish by testing. Press the Reassign button and record a short clip to confirm behavior. If nothing happens, make sure the current shooting mode allows movie recording. Some modes restrict button actions. Once done, try resetting only the custom key assignments if the mapping seems broken, and then retest. If problems persist, make sure firmware is current because older firmware can block custom mappings, and contact Sony support for hardware checks. This sequence gets you back to shooting quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.